Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to pull a shock apart here. A little bit stretched open. Let's see what I can do here. Okay, this is just a stock shock from a Honcho, the SCX10 chassis. Usually they come with bump stops. They're just like a little rubber cylinder type of thing that go onto the shaft. Pull those out, and it, makes shocks flex a lot better. This is just a how-to video of how to disassemble and reassemble and oiling and everything. So there we go. We'll pull the shock back, or spring back, and there's a little bit of retainer here. Just pop that off. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. And then pull the spring off. And then there's a little plastic piece. Pull that off. And then the front part of the shock comes off. And that's it. Really, there's a adjuster thing. You can leave it on, or so I'm just gonna leave it on for now because it's pretty dirty. Now let's pull this off. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Shaft is actually moving. What you want to do, first you want to take a pair of needle nose, put a piece of tape on them. I won't be, because, well, I'm not that concerned, but you should. Just protects the shock shaft. Okay, well, sorry about that, guys. Batteries are dead, so anywho, there we go. So we got our pliers. Hold it in one hand, pinch it like that, and then if you can do it by hand. Usually you gotta hold it on pretty tight, so it doesn't move. Usually I'll take another regular pair of pliers, and just hold it on like that, and twist. So you can get it by hand. And going, blah, blah, blah. There you go. Twist it off. Now you got half disassembled shock. Now you can take the cap off, hold it upright, in case there's still some oil in it. Pull that off. Now you can just take the shock shaft and push it up. Now I'm doing this over my bed, so a piece of cardboard, I'll blow it. But as you can see, shock has pushed. I don't know if you guys can. There we go. Just grab hold of it and pull it out. Done. Your shock is now disassembled. I'm gonna go wash a couple. Gonna do the other one and wash 2 of them, and then I'll show you how to bleed them and crap like that. So okay.